Okay, I don't want to put my phone outside because I don't want this expensive phone to get messed up. But the wind is blowing pretty hard. This is probably one of the feeder bands of Tropical Storm Isaac. Okay, this is in Bimini, Bahamas, one of the settlements of Bailey Town. Alright, the wind is blowing pretty and I'm just basically just peeping outside, trying to give you some live footage of what's going on. Alright, but I wouldn't advise anybody to be outside right now. It's pretty bad. If you look, I just saw a shingle blow off a roof. And I wasn't expecting for it to be this bad, but it is pretty much. So, this is Bimini.